Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cover stitch machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother Coverstitch Serger 2340CV. Despite the affordable price, the Brother 2340CV offers some features typically found on more expensive cover stitch machines. The model performs a quick looper system for threading. In their reviews, even entry-level sewers admit that threading is easy. The 2, 3, 4 thread capability is perfect for multi-purpose tasks. You can make chain or cover stitches, finishing garments from woven, stretch, heavyweight or lightweight fabrics. The machine sews at 1100 SPM, that is more than enough for hobbyists. The stitch length is between 2 mm to 4 mm. The width starts at 2 mm and goes up to 4 mm. To adjust the length and width, you can simply use the dial. Users mention that there are only 3 drawbacks to this model. The first is a thread breaking. It usually happens when a sewer uses a cheap thread. The second is that there is no auto tension release. This rarely causes problems, but for most of the beginners, it is better to own a model with automatic tension. The third is that the machine has no free arm, and that limits the variety of your projects. Aside from these cons, the unit stitches fast and accurately, it is mobile and lightweight. The Brother company gives a long-term warranty and offers a great customer service. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer Professional 14T968 DC Serger Overlock. It's not only the high quality of the Singer Professional 514T968 DC that's impressive. This durable machine was made for 2 purposes. The first is overcasting to prevent material from fraying at the edge. And the second is making hems that can stretch. The unit provides a broad selection of stitch options for sewing seams, decorative edges, hems, cover hems, rolled hems and more. The machine operates at the excellent speed of stitching, 1,300 stitches per minute. This speed allows you to complete your projects quickly and easily. The easy-to-use features include an automatic tension system. You can simply turn a dial and select the chart to set a tension. The 2, 3, 4, 5 thread capability provides professional finishing every time. It can sew a seam, finish it, and trim excess allowance. This feature will save you a lot of time. Adjustable cutting length and width gives space for creativity. On top of that, the all-purpose Serger comes with a bunch of accessories like a serging knife, multi-functional foot, clean pocket, spool caps and others. Aside from all the advantages, we found that some users complain about the auto tension. They say that sometimes during sewing a few layers of bulky fabrics, the machine makes ugly stitches. However, more accomplished sewers praise the unit for its excellent work even with thick and heavy materials, so perhaps the performance of the machine varies depending on the user's experience. The device is backed by a 25-year limited warranty. The Singer company has a good reputation as a reliable manufacturer. With the Singer Professional 514T968 DC, you will add a classy finishing touch to home decor, garments, and other projects of yours. At number 3, we have the Juki MCS 1500 Cover Stitch and Chain Stitch Machine. The Juki MCS 1500 is a fast and feature-rich machine. The unit offers a stitch speed of 1350 stitches per minute. With the model, you'll sew more productively and create many garments and home decor items. This cover stitch machine offers 3 needles to create a 3-thread cover stitch and a 4-thread chain stitch. The former is good for stitching side seams and waists. The latter is suitable for simple hems, sleeve cuffs, armholes, and necklines. The next benefit of this industrial sewing machine is the adjustable pressure foot that allows sewing through thick materials. Due to the simple looper design and the automatic threader, the threading is very easy even for beginners. In the reviews, users rarely say that they have troubles with threading the machine with new spools. The unit has the exterior thread cutter with which you can remove unnecessary pieces of thread. According to the reviews, top stitching sometimes becomes difficult because of the lack of a larger throat space. Most of the users claim that it takes a steep learning curve to master the top stitches. Yet after a while, they get along with the feature. Despite these little disadvantages, the Juki MCS 1500 stitches well and the result looks just perfect. The device has a 2-year limited warranty on electronics and 5-year limited warranty on mechanics. However, this machine is really a workhorse. It can handle big projects and stitch all day long for many years. In the comments, people praise the device for its steady work without a need for repair. At number 2, we have the Janome Cover Pro 1000 CPX Coverstitch Machine. The Janome Cover Pro 1000 CPX is an advancement to its predecessor, the Janome Cover Pro 900 CPX. The new model offers the 2, 3, 4 thread capability instead of the 2 to 3 thread capability. The Cover Pro 1000 CPX was made for heavy-duty projects. It performs 3 types of stitches: triple needle cover stitch, double needle cover stitch, and single chain stitch. The stitch length varies from 1 mm to 6 mm. The unit offers a generous bed space that is convenient for large projects. Due to the long free arm, the device is especially helpful when it comes to finishing off cuffs, waistbands, and sleeves. Another praiseworthy feature is the adjustable presser foot that feeds through even very heavy materials. The accomplished sewers appreciate the seam accuracy, and the novices are happy with the user-friendly design. The Janome brand is worldwide well known for delivering both value and quality. Therefore, there are only a few downsides, including the average stitch speed. The unit performs at 1000 stitches per minute. According to the reviews, some users think that it is not fast enough. The others are very satisfied and have nothing to complain. Another weak point is that the machine doesn't sew well with a cheap thread. In many reviews, the sewers claim that it skips stitches while penetrating several layers of thick fabric. With a high-quality thread, there are no such problems. The quality of stitching is praiseworthy, and that's why the machine is one of the popular choices for both professionals and beginners. And finally at number 1, we have the Bernette B48 Funlock Serger Cover Stitch Machine. The Bernette B48 is a very user-friendly mechanical sewing machine that is also renowned for its high versatility. It's a machine that offers high arrays of stitching options. It's also notable for the color coding of the thread paths. This makes threading very easy to do and also master when compared to its peers in the mechanical line. Regarding its specifications, aside that it has many stitching options and is color-coded, the model has a built-in LED light. It also has a speed of 1300 stitches per minute, SPM, and weighs just 21 pounds. It has a dimension of 16 x 13 by 14 inches, making it a very compact and lightweight machine. Also, it features an adjustable differential feed. This gives you an increase in control while handling slippery or sheer fabrics like satins and chiffons. Supported by the LED lighting system, the machine also has a large working area. The blade system offers clean cutting edges and is located beneath the machine's surface area for the sake of safety. Meanwhile, on the downside is that it tends to be a noisy machine, especially when it's at high speed. A server pad, however, can reduce this problem drastically. Some users also found this model a bit pricey because it doesn't have lots of remarkable features. Nonetheless, it's a well-built, compact machine designed for long-time uses. It comes with a massive warranty offer. This includes 10 years of mechanical warranty. 2 years of warranty is also provided for the motor as well as other electrical components. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.